Hello 9th class. Today my topic is respiratory system. Actually, I had already posted top notes on this topic. Now I want to clear this topic through the video. So hope you will understand this topic through the video. So let's see the video. So students, today we will just see the diagram on the screen. Today we'll discuss about the respiratory system. See, it is very important for the respiratory system, that is what is respiration. So what is respiratory system or what is respiration? So what point is come, what is respiration? The requirement of oxygen is indispensable for the human body, and if it is suspended, means completely suspended for more than 4 minutes, the person usually dies. So we can say our body needs continuous supply of oxygen to survive. And in another language we can say respiration is the process of obtaining and using oxygen while eliminating carbon dioxide. So this is the simple. Now you can see in the video there are some respiratory organs which have to release the oxygen to you can say transfer the oxygen through the different organs. So first see here: nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, and you know bronchi and bronchioles, alveoli, diaphragm. These are the main for the. See, first is you can see in diagram, this is nose. So do you know what is nose? And everybody knows what is, because you are familiar with the nose. You have a nose, beautiful nose. So nose is two types. And you know what is the structure of nose? There are two parts of the nose. First, external part, and second, internal part. So what is external part? External part is composed of, you can say, it is composed of cartilages, and you can say it is a pathway of the nostril. Nostril is internal part. So internal part, it is called the nasal cavities, and air enters in the nasal passage. These passages serve as a moisture and filter, and one more thing, warm up the air before it reaches the lungs. So the two parts. This is external and this is the internal part. So now you can see on the picture, see, it is inhaling. Air is going inside the nose. See, it is going inside the nose. So see on the diagram, this video. Just now see here, another part, it come to the next part is of this system, pharynx. And so what is pharynx? Pharynx is a funnel shaped cone tube, funnel shaped tube that connects nasal and oral cavities, and this oral cavities connect to the larynx, and then after nasal cavities passes through the pharynx. See, this one is pharynx. And what is the work of pharynx? It is digest the food also. It digests the food also, this pharynx. So it is, you can see here, locate, this is the pharynx. Now see here, air going through the pharynx. See this pharynx part which is blinking, this is pharynx. Then it comes, air is going through here, esophagus. See here, it is coming from this side, this is goes to it is esophagus, and it is side is a epiglottis. Epiglottis, which protects the particles. This is epiglottis. What is the main work of this epiglottis? It just protects the hard substances to enter the windpipe. See, it is connected here. Now, second, another part is, this is larynx. Larynx, it is called the, what is called the larynx? Voice cord, vocal cord. So what is larynx? After pharynx, air passes through larynx and it is called the voice box, and it is composed mainly of cartilage, and it consists of two pairs of membranes, and when air goes there, vocal cord vibrate, then it produces sound. This one, it produces sound. When air comes here, it produces sound. Now trachea, you can see this is the part of trachea. What is the role of trachea? After release, air passes into the trachea, and it is called the windpipe also. It is called the windpipe. It is called the windpipe. And what is the main work? It is divided into two bronchi. It is divided into two bronchi. You can see one is coming here and one is going the left lung and one is going to the right lung. So both are the branch of trachea which is divided in lungs. It is called the bronchi. It is called the bronchi. And what is the main work of this? And even there is an epiglottis which prevents the food from entering into the trachea. What is the role of epiglottis which is here? It is prevent the food which enter the trachea. See, this is the trachea. Now it is blinking here. These are the bronchioles. That means these two are the bronchi and these are the bronchioles. That means these are the branch of bronchi. So today we will discuss till here only. We will discuss or maybe in the next video. Thank you.